New York Stock Exchange digital tickers turning green, investors cheering on the trading floor. Wall Street is on fire and tech is leading on the charge. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 have both hit fresh all-time highs, driven by booming earnings from major tech companies and signs that the broader economy is on fire footing. Nasdaq up 3.2% and S&P 500 up 2.7%, though flat. The Nasdaq closed up 3.2% this week, while the S&P 500 jumped 2.7%, marking its fifth consecutive weekly gain. The Dow Jones held steady. What's fueling the rally? A powerful combo of blockbuster tech earnings, cooling inflation, and growing confidence that the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates as soon as September. Earning calls and stock surges from top tech firms Apple, Nvidia, Alphabet, Microsoft. Tech giants crushed expectations. Nvidia reported a 45% jump in quarterly revenue fueled by relentless demand for AI chips. Apple surprised analysts with record service revenue and strong global iPhone sale. Alphabet, Google posted double-digit growth in ad revenue and cloud services. Microsoft beat earnings across the board, citing enterprise AI integration as a key driver. One analyst told Bloomberg, "This is not just a rebound, it's a reinvention. Tech is writing the next chapter of the economy. Consumer using AI apps, businesses developing automation tools. Behind the numbers is a broader trend. AI is no longer type, it's delivering real revenue." From cloud computing to consumer device, AI-powered services are now boosting productivity and margin across the tech sector. A report from Morgan Stanley calls this the beginning of a multi-year AI monetization cycle, with global tech spending expected to top $5 trillion by 2026. Economic indicators: CPI down to 2.1%, unemployment at 3.8%, GDP growth revised up. Adding fuel to the rally is a string of positive economic data. Inflation cruised to 2.1% in June and the lowest in early 2022. Unemployment remains near historic lows, 3.8%, and GDP growth for Q2 has been revised upward to 2.4%. These numbers are strengthening expectation that the Fed may cut interest rates at its September meetings, a shift that could unlock even more growth for equity market. Wall Street analysts discussing rate odds, market momentum. According to CME, Fed watch data, markets are now pricing in a 78% chance of a rate cut in September. One strategist told NBC, "Disinflation without a recession plus tech earnings that keep surprising to the upside." Global indexes, Nikkei, FTSE DAX also trading up. The US rally is lifting global markets as well. Japan's Nikkei is near a 34-year high. Europe's DAX and FTSE 100 are gaining on strong US data and tech spillover. And emerging markets are rebounding as dollar pressure eases and investor sentiment improves. A real view of Wall Street, bustling tech campuses and family shoppings again. After years of uncertainty, inflation fears and interest rate shocks, markets are finding new momentum. But with valuations rising and rate decisions still ahead, the big question is, can this rally last? Are we landing or are we heading for another correction? Tech fueled rally, Nasdaq hits record, July 2025 market update.